I'm Doug Paul, Managing Director of KCL Industries. Yeah, we're a small engineering business, punching well above our weight. So we specialise in crushing and sizing parts. The sites come to us with issues and we engineer the issue out for them and create a better product. With us having such a small footprint, it allows us to be highly flexible in what we can achieve. So we have direct contacts through our foundries and our engineering compliances for all our third-party testing, so it allows us to be on point with everything that we do, basically, from inception of an idea, whether it's by us or delivered from site, through to delivering a finished product. We've been going for 18 years and we've continually evolved and developed along the way. Green footprint, off-grid workshop. We're now building our second stage workshop, and we will be continuing to develop and grow and build as fast as we can. We've just put on an apprentice and the future's looking exceptionally bright for us.